Joining us now is the mayor of San Francisco, Mayor London Breed. Thank you for joining us, and we'll start by just asking, how's it going so far?
Well, so far we see people in San Francisco complying with the order for the most part. Every now and then you have people walking around in neighborhoods, but also respecting the social distancing, and the buses are pretty empty. People who serve in various capacities in our healthcare industry and our public safety industry, they're all going to work. Folks are just basically adjusting, and I think because we've been communicating the same consistent message since I announced a emergency declaration in San Francisco before anyone was diagnosed on February 25th. People have really stepped up. They understood that this is really serious, and we really appreciate so many San Franciscans complying with the order.
So the objective here was to flatten the curve so that we could take the pressure off of hospitals. It sounds like we have definitely done that here in the Bay Area.
No question about it.
When will these streets be filled with people again?
You have to have the public health capacity to do the testing and do the contact tracing. You have to have the hospital capacity to take care of patients, and probably the most important, the number of cases has to be going down to almost nothing and staying down.
Health officials don't know when that will happen, so for now,
prepare for the worst, expect it, but hope and pray that we don't ever have to deploy those resources.
We know that this is going to have a significant impact on our economy. And so it's important that we think about creative things we can do for the short term in order to get us all through this, because we know that our budget is going to be impacted, small businesses are going to be impacted, people who work in the service industry and bars are already being laid off, and this is going to be a significant challenge, not just for our city, but for our country.